products, and people behind the company. You must investigate ng maigi yung three pyramids of a network marketing company. Dapat po yan, it goes together. Pasado lahat-lahat yan. Pwede pong mababait. Nakita mo mabait ang mga may-ari, pero walang kwenta naman ang products, wala ding kwenta ang marketing plan. Pwedeng maganda ang marketing plan, maganda ang products, pero ang people behind the company, wala. No? Mga money game players lang sila. So dapat po, pasado lahat yung tatlo. Hindi pwedeng isa, hindi po dalawa lang. Okay? Now, 40,000 yung na-scam sa akin, sir. Sayang. Grabe, 40,000. Can you imagine? Sa ibang pamilya, nabubuhay na ng 4 na buwan ang pamilya niyan for 40,000. Now, so ano ang magiging future natin sa LiveGold? Ito po. Ano ang magiging future natin bilang mga club members and subscribers? May maliwanag po ba sa sikat na araw po talaga na naghihintay sa atin dito sa LiveGold? Totoo ba na magwawalis tayo ng dolyares? Sinong excited kumita ng limpak-limpak na dollars? Come on! Type number 8! Come on, come on! O, di ba, di ba? Now, nakaka-excite, no? At social na social tayo kasi dollar earners tayo. Okay. Ipapakita ko sa inyo what would be our future dito sa LiveGold. Dapat malinaw po sa atin. History. Now, pag-usapan natin ang past, present, future ng mga kumpanya na doon po binase yung business model natin ni LiveGold. Now, ang business model na kinuhanan po ni LiveGold ay itong mga kumpanya na to. Costco, Amazon, and S&R. I will mention only these three, pero actually marami. Now, ano po ba ang past, present, and future nitong mga company na to? No? Now, ano ang past ni Costco? Past, present ni Costco. Now, Costco started 1979. Yan. I-google niyo po, 1979, nag-start si Costco. They hit the 1 million members after 9 years. So, 1985. No, take note. Na-hit nila ang 1 million members after 9 years. Yan yung past ni Costco. Ang present ni Costco, they have estimated 129 million club shopping members. 1979 to 2024, that's 40 years. Yeah, 40 years. Grabe, no? 40 years. 40 years. 129 club members, club shopping members. Can you imagine magkanong kinikita ni Costco for the membership fee alone? 129 million club shopping members ni Costco magbabayad sa pinakamababa na club membership fee lang, yung $60 a year. Dalawa kasi ang membership ni Costco, $60 a year or $120 a year. Dito na tayo sa pinakamababa, yung $60 a year. Ladies and gentlemen, 740 billion ang kita ni Costco coming from the membership fee alone. Hindi pa po kasali dyan yung kita ni Costco sa araw-araw bumibili kay Costco sa mall nila or bumibili via online shopping. Can you imagine? In peso, that's 433 billion pesos membership fee income pa lang ni Costco. Okay, ano ang future ni Costco? Now, gumawa kami ng estimate computation na ang future ni Costco, 5 years from now, estimated 145 million ang magiging club shopping members ni Costco. At ang future income ni Costco from the membership fee alone will be around $8.7 billion or 487.2 billion pesos. Income ni Costco 5 years from now coming from the membership fee alone. Sobrang laki yan. Membership fee income pa lang. Okay? Now, yan ang Costco. O, di ba? Yan ang Costco. Tanong, successful na ba ang business model na club membership? Yes, 40 years na po si Costco. Meaning, proven and tested na po ang business model na club membership. And take note, walang kita ang mga club members dyan. No, walang kita binigay si Costco. Discount lang ang privilege ng members. Pero ang members okay lang sa kanila kahit wala silang kita. Basta discounted lang sila. Basta every time they will buy, may discount sila. Now, the members are keep on renewing their membership fee every year. No, just only for a 2, 3, 5% discount lang. Okay, Amazon. Ang Amazon started 1994 ang Amazon. Na-hit nila ang 1 million members after 3 years. No, after 3 years. And then ang present ngayon ni Amazon, 200 million club shopping members na po si Amazon after 30 years. After 30 years. Now, ito ang kinikita ni Amazon. 200 million club shopping members magbabayad at $139 a year pag ikaw Prime Club members. Take note, ang nilagay ko dito per year. Paano kung hindi ka maka-afford ng per year, per month ang binayaran mo na club membership or subscription ni Costco? Magkano pag per month? $14.99 per month. Pag per month ang binabayaran, mas malaki pa po dito ang kinikita ni Costco. Now, if we compute the 200 million club shopping members ni Costco magbabayad sa $139 a year, ladies and gentlemen, that's $27.8 billion or 1.5 trillion pesos kita ni Amazon coming from the membership fee pa lang. Wow! 1.5 trillion pesos kita ni Amazon sa membership fee pa lang. Woo! Grabe, no? Ano ang future ni Amazon? 5 years from now. Ito po. Estimated aabot ng 233 million ang club shopping members ni Amazon. 5 years from now. Ang estimated income ni Amazon will be around $32.3 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, 1.8 trillion pesos. Membership fee income pa lang ni Amazon. Hindi pa kasali dyan yung income sa araw-araw na namimili sa online shopping platform ni Amazon. Another question. Proven and tested na ba ang club membership subscription na business model? Yes or yes? Proven and tested na. Successful na. 30 years na si Amazon. O di ba? And take note, again, walang kitaan ang mga club shopping members dyan. Discount lang ang habol. ng mga nag-member dyan kay Amazon. Okay na sa kanila. Kahit magbabayad sila ng $139 a year, walang product na kapalit yung $139 a year, wala din income, pero happy na ang mga members sa discount. Grabe, no? Tuwang-tuwa si Amazon. Okay. Now, S&R. Ang S&R, 16 years na po ito. Started 2006. Hit the 1 million members after 8 years. And then ang present ni S&R, nasa 2 million club shopping members. No, after 18 years, na-hit nila ang 2 million. 700 pesos a year, pero alam ko promo sila ngayon. So 1.4 billion pesos kita ni S&R sa membership fee pa lang. No, membership fee pa lang. So ano ang future ni S&R? Estimated 2.5 million members after how many years to? After 5 years, yeah, after 5 years. And then, around 1.7 billion ang magiging club membership fee income ni S&R 5 years from now. Tanong, proven and tested na ba? No? Proven and 18 years na pala to. Proven and tested na ba ang club membership na business model? Yes. 18 years si S&R, 30 years si Amazon, no, 40 years si Costco. Okay. Now, ano ang future ni Live Good? O ano ang present ni Live Good? Ladies and gentlemen, coaches, no, at saka mga bisita namin, we started December of 2022. We hit the 1 million global members after 13 months. Come on, palakpakan po tayo dyan. Woo! O, di ba? We hit the 1 million members of Live Good in just a matter of 13 months. Yung mga kay S&R, after how many years? No? Kay Amazon, after 3 years. After 8 years, si Costco, tayo 13 months. First time sa buong industriya. First time sa industriya ng subscription industry, first time sa industriya ng club membership, no? At first time sa industriya ng network marketing na isang company na nakahit ng 1 million in just 13 months. Kaya talagang we are an industry disruptor. Nakalampag natin ang industriya, binulabog natin ang industriya. Anong tawag ng mga may-ari? They are the whistleblower of the network marketing industry. Oh, di ba? Now, okay. Within a year, eto malupit. Sa loob ng 1 taon, ladies and gentlemen and coaches, no, I'm very proud. Talagang taas noo ako. At dapat taas noo tayo. We should be proud. In just 1 year, Live Good nakapag-payout po ng 50 million US dollars. Or that's around 2.7 billion pesos payout in just 1 year. Ang payout binigay niyan on time and even advance or early. Grabe po. Diba? Ang lupit. Walang delayed payout. Walang mga cheche-bureche. 2.7 billion pesos. Total na payout ni Live Good in just a matter of 1 year. Wow. Wow. Okay. Now, present. Ito ngayon. We have almost 1.1 million members. Sa ngayon, ito yung present natin. an average of more than $1 million per week. Take note, $1 million per week ang payout natin sa commission and bonuses, or that's an estimated 56 to 60 million pesos a week ang payout ni Live Good, mga kapatid. Come on! Come on, come on. No? Grabe yan. Ano ang future? Ito malupit. Okay. In just 1 year, somebody is earning already. Actually less than a year po, no? Less than ako mismo. Right from my two eyes, kitang-kita ko ang dashboard niya. May kumikita po ng average of 90 to more than $100,000 a month already dito sa Live Good in less than a year. Wow! Magkano po yan? That's 5 million to 6 million average per month. 5 to 6 million pesos kinikita nila in less than a year, kada buwan. May alam akong kumpanya na kumikita din ng ganito, average of 5 million per month. Pero 15 years nilang tinrabaho, ito malupit, almost 100 heads or 100 accounts. Kaya sila kumita ng 5 million a month, almost 100 heads or 100 accounts, 15 years na tinrabaho. Si Live Good po, less than a year. Ito malupit, one account policy lang po tayo, pero may kumikita na ng 5 to 6 million a month. Wow! Wala ba tayong maraming puso na dyan? Come on! Yes! Woo-hoo-hoo! Magpaulan tayo ng maraming puso, mga kapatid. Can you imagine? Less than a year, may kumikita ng 5 to 6 million a month, one account policy. Now, ngayon, excited ka na ba sa future mo sa Live Good? Excited ka na ba sa ating future, ladies and gentlemen? Kung excited ka, come on, type in our chat box now. Excited ako! Come on, come on! O, di ba? Ano ang future natin 3 to 5 years from now? Ladies and gentlemen, in 3 to 5 years from now, Live Good will be estimated 7.5 million community na po tayo in 3 to 5 years from now. Eto, baka lalagpas pa tayo dito. Kasi, naku, tumayo balahibo ko. Because of the big one. Yan, no? The big one. Type in our chat box, come on, the big one. Because of the big one surprise announcement ni Sir Ben Glensky, no? Ano yung big one surprise announcement na yon? Alam, magiging times 3, magiging times 5 yung bilis ng pagdami ng members natin. Okay? No? Now, ano kaya yung big one surprise announcement na yon? Uulitin ko po. Uulitin ko po. Uulitin ko. Pag na-announce yung big one surprise announcement, my God, it's going to be a triple, quadruple, 5 times yung bilis na pagdami ng ating members. Maniwala kayo sa akin. It's going to be a tidal wave. Woo! Woo! Okay. 3 to 5 years from now, baka 7 to 10 million ang aabuti natin na official members in 3 to 5 years from now. Estimated will be around 7 to 10 million US dollars per week ang magiging weekly payout natin yan, or that would be around 400 to 500 million pesos payout per week. Wow! Woo! Now, and 3 to 5 years from now, ladies and gentlemen, yung kumikita at present ng 90 to $100,000 per month o yung kumikita at present ng 5 to 6 million per month in 3 to 5 years from now, walang duda, sigurado po ako, yung income nila, yung mga kumikita ng 5 to 6 million per month ngayon, 3 to 5 years from now, their income will be around 30, 39, 40, or even up to 50 million per month 5 years from now. 5 years from now. Ang question nito, kung sila kikita ng 50 million per month, ang ilalim nila, magkano kaya ang kinikita? Sa ilalim nila, somebody will be earning 40 million naman, 30 million naman, 20 million naman, 10 million naman. Kaya mga kapatid, dapat po ma-excite ka because 3 to 5 years from now, the ordinary income ng taga-Libgood, or take note, ordinary income. 5 years from now, the ordinary income ng taga-Libgood 5 years from now will be around 500,000 to 1 million a month. Ordinary income lang yan. Tanong, nakakabuang ba ang future natin, ladies and gentlemen? Yes or yes? Yes or yes? Okay? Now, tanong, magpabibiktima ka pa ba sa mga old school way of doing networking? Magpabiktima ka pa ba sa mga paulit-ulit na pambubudol, no? Pambibiktima nila, no? Sana wala na po. Kaya kung nagdududa ka pa sa Libgood, ngayon na mismo mag-quit ka na. Pero kung wala kang duda, 1,000% ang belief mo sa company sa Libgood. Congratulations because 3 to 5 years from now, your life will never be the same anymore. Congratulations, maraming salamat, and God bless everyone. And let's wait for the big one. Back to you, Coach Ferds, Coach Janet, and Coach Fernan. Thank you and good morning.